Hello, my name is Luz Angelica Molina. Come and enjoy with your family in Soyaca, the traditional food with potatoes, beans, turnips, and red meat. The charming pieces shoot waterfalls, the archaeological museum, lodging cities in Cauris made of native plants in a swimming climate. Duration of the trip. The first day we can visit the Archaeological Museum and the waterfall. Of the second day, we will visit the traditional food as well as La Orqueta restaurant. For the 3 day, we will go to Lago de Tota, where 3 are several attractions such as riding the goat-head skiing and horseback riding, the making roast beef. Means of transportation during the vacation for some places the SB bus and to the waterfalls. Activities to do: visit the waterfall, go to Lago de Tota, where you can also swim, where the tourists can be in total contact with nature. Tropical foods: tourists will enjoy the food with potatoes, beans, turnips, and grilled meats, chicha and guarapo. Cost and at a cost of the 600,000 Colombian pesos. Thank you for attention.